if your main guy is a stingy man, you have to find a side guy man to sponsor your life. And if your main guy has like anger issues or maybe he's a poor listener, like you find a side guy cause to replace like things zenye main guy wako hana. Unaona, like two guys like form like one complete person. Like kama wewe ana pesa uko na mwingine wa pesa, so your life is like it's on the right track. You see, unacheka lakini si funny.
Okay,
Like
daylight scare. Most of you girls hamkui na tu one main na one side. Mnakuwa na boyfriend, mko na side guy, mko na mbaba, mko na caretaker, mko na mse wa gas, mko na mse wa bangi.